advantages and real progress with alopecia, well, you need to start with your scalp and start with our G&G hair growth products. Yes, our G&G hair growth products are made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with tea tree oil, flaxseed oil, argan oil, black seed and grapeseed oil. Yes, just to name a few. Our hair growth products stimulate your scalp, improve circulation, and heals weak follicles, especially in bald and thinning areas. So get your order in today for our G&G hair growth products because they really work.